pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
This one is a heavy sucker. Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I am so very glad I get the chance to meet you. Please talk to me down in the comments below. And for my returning gems, thank you for joining me for another video. I have my very first Trendmood box. Now, it was $44 and this is the volume 10. This is the very first one that I'm ever getting. So we're going to rip it apart and figure out if it's worth it. Okay, now, okay. The tape on here is not so bad. I can't find my scissors, so I've been using my razor. Works perfect. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm out of breath. You had to see me running to get these the other day. Oh, okay, this is different. Guys, I'm excited. All right, I want to know if you've gotten a Trendmood box before. If you haven't, usually they're like sold out by the time I even hear about them or I get that email. But I'm loving the purple packaging here. Look at that. Love, love, love. My favorite color is purple. Okay. We're gonna dive in. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, there's more in here than what I expected. Okay, is there like a card? Do we get a card? I see a card on the bottom. I think it's a card. This just tells about one product. All right. I see something else. Okay, this Patrick Star. One size. Okay, so, okay. I've been hearing, I guess he has a collaboration or he has his own line or something now. All right. Wow, there's a lot. Like, holy geez. Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer is like the first thing that I see. Okay, let me... Available February 5th. Okay, so this is a new product that just came out. Huh. Doesn't say much about Patrick Star, but there's Patrick Star. Okay, so let me put these cards down. Let me open this box. It's a little crushed. I'll put prices for you on the screen. I will find out what they are so you guys know. Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. Now, I'm always up for a good primer. Definitely. How do we open her? She does not have a seal. Oh, this is a hard kind of box. I mean, packaging. There we go. This primer? Hang on. That's what it looks like. This to me is probably not a matte primer. It's probably a hydrating one. I'm guessing, I think it said it had blurring effects. Actually, it dries down pretty nicely and it feels soft. But for those of us with larger pores, I don't know that it'll work that well, but I will try it for you. Okay, we'll do a video. We'll do a try on with a lot of these. I'm gonna take the other products that are in here. These look like trial size finishing powders. I'm not sure if they are. Again, I'll put that information on the screen for you. Let me open this up. This is a translucent powder. Is it SO? Yeah. One size. Okay. Yeah. Let's open it up. Okay, it's got one of those little sticky thingies. I've got tons of setting powders. Tons! I didn't realize that Patrick Starr. I mean, I know he has some products, but I've never tried them. Okay, so this really is just a translucent powder. It feels like a powder, not like a mineral. Like, you know how some powders are super silky? That's not this. Just letting you know. That's not this. This, it's okay. I definitely would have to try it on the face. We've got another powder. This one here. Oh, the first ingredient's talc. Okay. Ultimate setting powder. It's vegan. That's good to know. This dark deep is what it says on the back. Wow. Okay. This is dark deep, and I don't think I would ever be able to use this, to be perfectly honest with you. Not unless I was super, super tan, but I don't even see myself getting that tan unless... Okay, wait. This is what it looks like when it comes right out. Okay, this is the item we got the paper on. The Phoenix Rising from the Ashes antioxidant Shibula is the most potent, bioactive, and cascading antioxidant the skincare world has ever seen because it doesn't dissipate after consuming a free radical like all others do. Okay. Evens out skin tones, smooths fine lines and wrinkles, brightens and plumps dull skin, heals roughness and dryness, improves skin elasticity and firmness. Okay. Again, I'll find the product and put the prices on the screen for you. Let me open it up. This is what it looks like here. It's a serum. I like serums. Apply 1 to 2 drops to face, neck, and morning, night after cleansing. Okay. Let's try this on the other hand. Ooh, it's kind of, it's cooling, but look at that. It's not messy. Like sometimes they drip all over the place. This one didn't do that. And of course, just rubbing it into the skin. Oh, it smells weird, but maybe because it's natural? Like glue? I don't know. Okay, that's all right though. If it works, who cares, right? All right, so we've got a serum here. Okay, it looks like we've got some liquid lips or shadows. And then we've got some hair care products. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull out the hair care products here. I'm gonna put this box down here, and we're gonna go into the KVD Twin Flames. Yes. Okay, let's open it up. Passion. It's sealed. All right. I'm not a fan. Okay, this is multi-chrome pigment for eyes and face. Okay, so it has multiple uses. Now that's always a good thing. I like the packaging. Look at that. Nice and crystal and just like monochrome pigment. There is the wand. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I was so afraid I wasn't gonna like this box. Okay, well, I was wrong. Let's put some right here. Oh my gosh, guys. A nice monochrome moment. Are you kidding right now? It's a little sticky, but that's okay. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed with that. I did not think it was going to be that colorful. Okay. Now, I hope you guys don't mind me going through everything like so thoroughly. Electro Bolt, Dazzle Stick, This is a stick eyeshadow. Here's the packaging. I'm like so excited. I'm like ready to rip it open now. All right, before I play with this one, let me go ahead and I've never been excited for liquid eyeshadows like this before. All right, this is a stick. Ooh, okay. Look how pretty. That's definitely a great bronze for spring or summer. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? It's creamy, super creamy. You could use this for a highlight. You could use it on your eyes. Now the only question is, oh, it dries almost immediately. Now that's perfect, because sometimes liquids don't dry very well and they don't look really good. They like can bunch up like liquids and creams, but that actually, I can see myself using pretty much everything in this box and hopefully liking all of it, but it certainly seems that way. All right, the next thing I've got is also Twin Flames. I'm sorry, this is not a KVD product. For some reason, I thought they were all KVD. This here is Danessa Myrick's. I'm so sorry, guys. You probably like, Karen, what are you doing? What are you talking about? I really need to wear my glasses during videos. That's what I need to do. Okay, so I thought they were all KVD. I guess it was the packaging at first. I don't know. Anyway, I'm really excited to see the color. This one here is Young Love. Okay. It looks the same, but it can't be because it's got to be a different pigment. All right. Wait a minute. Yeah, no, okay, it's definitely, let's put them side by side. Yeah, okay, they are different, very different. Okay, this is the one I just used, Young Love, and the other one was Passion, that one right here, right? Passion? Yeah, Passion and Young Love. They are gorgeous. I'm definitely going to use these as toppers. Are you kidding me? Like, let me just see how long it takes for them to like, my lids don't feel wet or anything, but like blending them are like, oh my gosh. Okay, wow. I can't wait to see what the value is of this box. I thought it was kind of expensive for $44. All right, now it looks like we've got a bunch of hair care products. I like the fact that they have tape on them. We have got OGX. Now this is a brand I have seen at Walgreens. I do not think they have their own website. If they do, it's probably just telling about the products, but again, you know me, I'll do my research. We've got a shampoo and conditioner, and the first thing I look at is to see whether or not it has sulfates in it. When you are over 40 or over 30, hair begins to thin, and sulfates do not help this process because it strips the hair, and you need your scalp to be hydrated and kept. My camera shut off again. I'm so sorry. I hope you guys heard what I said. I pulled out the shampoo and conditioner, and I will put the information that I find on these products in here. But the first thing I look at, and the first thing it says, is sulfate free. Oh, thank goodness. I was talking about scalp health. A vinegar rinse every 15 days will keep your scalp from building up excess oil, stuff from shampoos, stuff from styling, and it'll clean your scalp so well that the follicles, the hair follicles, it's going to help prevent hair loss. So it's something super important if you are experiencing hair loss to do. You want to keep your scalp clean, hydrated, and healthy. Okay, so we have got, what else is in here? It's got keratin, proteins, argan oil, and ceramide. Okay, so I can actually use this. I'm excited. I do use a very expensive brand right now, so if this works, that would be cool. Okay, we've also got a 5-in-1 Benefits Frizz-Free Keratin Smoothing Oil Miracle Gloss. Kayla's here. Okay, so, and if you didn't see what these look like, here they are here. Heavy. What is on in here? So this is something it says to spray on damp towel dried hair. section by section. My hair is very hydrated, so I would probably only use this if I was going to use a styling tool on my hair, such as a straightening iron, and I would put it probably mostly focusing on the ends so we don't get split ends. But okay, let's recap. Shampoo and conditioner that is sulfate free, that is a plus. Then we've got this here that helps keep the hair moisturizing and glow. Then we have, which I messed up on, this is Danessa Myrick's Chrome multi-purposed shadow or highlighter, whichever you want to use it for. They're gorgeous. I'm excited about that. Then we have the KVD Dazzle Stick. That is a cream shadow. That is a beautiful color. Then we have the oil here that kind of smells like glue, but it might work well. Then we have the setting powders. I don't know if these are full size or not. I will definitely find out. One is in dark, one is translucent. And then we've got the primer. That is everything, right? Yeah, so this has got to be Patrick Starr's line. I will definitely put links and information in this video, but if you have any questions, put them down in the comments and I will do my very best to answer them. So thank you so much for joining me for this video. I am very happy with Trendmood. This box, I'm super excited about it. So I give it a thumbs up. What about you? Definitely tell me in the comments below, and I will see you guys real soon in another video.